Good morning. This is job notification from CSIR, that is Central Electrochemical Research Institute, Karaikudi. This is the notification number dated 15/12. And this is actually walk-in interview. Walk-in interview at 9:30 a.m. on 27/12/2021 Monday at CSIR, that is Central Electrochemical Research Institute, Karaikudi, for the selection of suitable candidates for the temporary positions. This is temporary position to be engaged in the below mentioned projects. So for this projects, they have given this notification under temporary positions. And the first one is Project Associate 1. Here we have one position, and here it is Project Associate 1, one position, Project Associate 1, one position. This stipend for this is 25,000 plus HRA, and here it is 25,000 consolidated, and here it is 31,000 per month plus HRA to the scholars who are selected through NET, that is NET, UGC NET, including lectureship, assistant professorship. And here for Project Associate 1, the qualification is MSc in Chemistry with 55% mark. For Project Associate 1, here the qualification is MSc in Chemistry with 55% mark. Then for Project Associate 1, here also we have MSc in Chemistry with or Physics. Here we have Chemistry or Physics, but here only Chemistry with 55% marks. For everything, for SC/ST candidates, it is only 50% marks. And here the qualification for Project Associate 1 is experience in electrodialysis and water analysis. And here for Associate 1, the preference will be given to those candidates having 6 months of experience. So they must have 6 months of experience in customizing biosensing platform. And for Project Associate 1 P3, that is experience with low temperature system or ultra high vacuum system or scanning tunneling microscopy. And here we have upper age limit as 35 years for every posting, and where they are going to work under the project title. These are the project title, and everything, since it is temporary basis, they have given the dates. Up to this date, you are going to work under this project. For Project 1, this is the studies on separation of L-carnitine in a salt from the mother solution containing I-carnitine hydrochloride, sodium chloride, ammonium chloride, and other salts by electrodialysis method. So in this project, you are going to work under this project, you are going to work up to 21/5/2022. Likewise, for this Project Associate 1, so in this project, under this project, you are going to work up to 31/7/2022. And in the same way, for Project Associate 1, the third, so this is what you are going to work under this project up to 31/3/2023. So listen, this is 31/3/2023, this is 31/7/2022, here it is 21/5/2022. And they have given the qualification and stipend for this every post. And the last one is Junior Research Fellow. This is also one position, and here it is consolidated pay is 31,000 per month plus HRA, and the qualification is MSc in Chemistry or Microbiology, again with 55% marks for all, except for SC/ST it is 50% with valid NET or GATE. So you must have valid NET or GATE. And here previously we had upper age limit as 35. For this posting, the upper age limit is 28 years. And here we have last date up to 6/8/2023, up to which you are going to work under this project. So for this project, you are going to work up to 6/8/2023. And listen, this is a note which is given by that recruitment, given in the recruitment notification. If no suitable candidate applies for Junior Research Fellowship position, candidate with qualification, if they won't get that qualification, then they'll look for this MSc in Chemistry or Microbiology with 55% marks or 50% marks for SC/ST. This can be considered as Project Associate 1 with a stipend of 25,000 per month plus HRA, and the upper age limit is 35 years. And these are the general instructions. So from the general instructions, they have given the walk-in interview date, that is on 27/12/2021 at 9:30 a.m. Then after this 9:30 a.m. they won't allow any candidates. Next, the candidates must be vaccinated, because non-vaccinated 2 dose to produce a COVID-19 negative certificate. If they have not vaccinated, then they have to produce negative certificate. That too they must get before 72 hours before entering into the walk-in interview. Next, they have to wear face masks, carrying hand sanitizer. These are mandatory. Then eligible candidates may appear for walk-in interview. While coming, they must bring all their original certificates along with photocopies, that is Xerox copies of educational qualification, age or caste, that is for this candidates, and experience, along with one passport size photo, and that is application, filled application. Then they have given here 2021 passed out candidates to submit a letter from the principal, because if they have not received the degree certificate, then they have to bring a letter from the principal. Then age relaxation will be given for this SC, ST, then PWD women candidates up to 5 years and 3 years for OBC, and all the above portion as per government instructions. Then here we have reservation for SC, ST, and here they have given important final semester or year students who are awaiting results are not eligible, so they should not apply for this. Final year students should not apply for this. And here one more important is candidates who worked as project personnel in CRI or any other or equal to 5 years, they are not eligible. And next one is, this is important, in case of university or institute avoiding CGPA, because some institute will get CGPA instead of percentage, so they have to calculate this CGPA, convert this into percentage. Next, if the number of candidates are more, then they'll shortlist one for interview through a written test. So these are the important points. Eligibility, they have given general instructions, so you have to follow this general instructions. Then we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.